I surprised my mom with a custom bag that I paint on, and she thinks it's childish.
What?
Hi everyone, I'm going to custom this bag and I give it to my mom. I just received this bag earlier, so let's do the first impression together. Okay, first of all, this bag is from CHILDISH. I put the link below if you're interested. And let me open the cover with this dust bag, which is nice. It looked like the bucket. And because I saw this material like canvas, so I think it's perfect to paint something on. Okay, they have extra strap and bunch of paper. The inside look like this, nothing inside. After it look like this, like a little bucket, you can hold this way or like this, like one shoulder. I'm thinking to either do Vincent van Gogh's Almond Blossom or Monet's Lily Flower. Okay, I make my decision. I decided to go for Vincent van Gogh's Almond Blossom. So I print this out and I'm going to use acrylic. Since I use acrylic to paint on my canvas, this kind of like canvas, I think should be fine. I'm so afraid I'm gonna ruin this. Should I put gesso first? You know what, just try it out. If no, I'm gonna put gesso. I decided to try it out with clear gesso. At this moment, that's not look really good. Besides canvas, still have some like hair thing.
I'm painting the almond blossom, not the background.
It absorbs better when I put the gesso on. Right now, some of the gesso already dry, so let me try it out with colors, see if it's better. Actually, it come out a lot better. I'm gonna put the gesso first before I do the drawing.
Even though I put the gesso on already, it's still way harder than just painting on regular canvas. Because this bag, besides the canvas material, also have those like the string, those type of material. The hair keeps sticking out. Sometimes I have to like dab the paint on the surface, not really like smoothly. I can draw it out. It took me longer than I expected.
I'm finally finished and it's dry already. This is how it turns out. I'm gonna give this to my mom as a surprise gift. 阿妹送隻袋俾你。
多謝晒。哇，花哩花碌咁10蚊仔嘅。
我畫㗎喎。
哇，你畫啊？畫得咁10蚊仔嘅。
Thank you so much for watching. New art related video every Thursday. Subscribe if you like it. I will see you next week. Bye.